Supreme Majesty, Ambassador Yeye Lara Fashola, who is an eye promoter and custodian of Yoruba culture and traditions, was born into the popular Fashola family, Lagos Island. She is a woman of many qualities and honor, a wife, mother, a priestess, intellectual, entrepreneur, a politician, role model, a feminist, an activist, serial philanthropist. The royal blood strongly flows through the vein of Ambassador Yeye Fashola, who will now be addressing her. Descendant of Oni Ajagun Ademuli, 14th ruler and 3rd Ife dynasty. She is equally royalty from the Great Benin Kingdom. And so we should continue to read. I think we will all sleep here tonight.
Yes, also. From Lagos Island, it's Alegongo.
Yes. And I don't know if she want me to say this, but we are preparing to. She's next month. We'll be decking her with another title as the Yalaje of Okiluse Kingdom.
Oh, yeah.
So, without wasting much of our time, we'd like you to start with the question.
Thank you very much, Grandma.